Alright, so this is my unboxing of the Koius Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Comes in a nice, slick, simple box. Easy to open. So we're going to open this up. And it comes over here packaged very nicely. You see it's adequately packaged. It has everything in the right compartments. See, it's nice and sturdy, nice and secure. We have over here the nice manual, pretty thick, and everything. I like the fact that it has all the compartments over here. Here we have the power adapter, a screwdriver. It comes with a screwdriver, I guess, to open stuff and to clean stuff out. Over here we also have a brush cleaner. This is the base for the charging of the robot vacuum cleaner, and this is the remote. Now here we have the actual vacuum cleaner. Let's move this stuff over, and we have maybe some extra wheels, or no, yeah, those are extra wheels. And we have something over here, which I don't know what this is. Probably some filter of some sort. Some screws of some sort. And that seems to be the contents of this box. Let's attempt to do this all one-handed. Seems like it's going to require a little bit more than that. I guess we'll have to save it for another time.